Here is another venomous snake, the common death adder. Now, this snake is found in, you guessed it, Australia, and it is a distinct separate species from the European adder, another type of venomous snake. Now, these guys are quite widespread throughout multiple areas of Australia, and they are a rather common snake. However, they are currently threatened by the invasive cane toads. However, they're not considered to be endangered or anything. They are still at least concerned. Now, these snakes mainly subsist on small animals like rodents and birds, and they are mainly ambush predators, burying themselves under fallen leaves until they sense an animal coming by that they want to eat, and then they strike, catch their prey, and then eat it. And these snakes have one of the fastest strike speeds out of all snakes. They are very, very fast, which is a pretty cool fact. Now, since these guys are heavily camouflaged ambush predators, it does make it quite hard for humans to see them, so most of the cases of human bites by the common death adder are due to people just accidentally stepping on them. Now, fortunately, these snakes are pretty smart, and the most cases are dry bites, where they don't actually release any venom into something that is not a prey animal because they don't really want to waste that venom on something they can't eat. So most of the time, they will do dry bites where the victim is not envenomated, basically just to kind of scare them away and give whatever is stepping on them or trying to eat them a warning. Now, that is not to say that a bite from the common death adder is nothing to worry about, because while it may be a harmless dry bite, they still have some very, very potent and dangerous venom. The venom contains a rather potent neurotoxin, which left untreated can cause pretty much full body paralysis and death due to respiratory failure. Now, fortunately, there is a common death adder antivenom, and if you get the antivenom in a good amount of time, then it's unlikely that you'll die from this. However, before the antivenom, up to 50% of death adder bites were fatal, and if left untreated, there is about a 50-50 chance whether or not you will survive.